guys, so before I start my whole day, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work out a little bit. You feel me? I'm gonna work out a little bit. I need to get this muscle up. You feel me? I'm tired of people calling me skinny. I'm tired of it. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to hit the weights, about to work out. I can't go to the gym right now, don't got enough time. So I have a membership at LA Fitness. So I cannot afford to go all the way there right now. I have to literally do a workout at home. I'm short for time. But before I get dressed, before I get washed, I'm about to go do the workout. I want to do my workouts in the morning every single day because it helps your blood start pumping and brain cells start working and all of that up in here. So I'm about to start working out. Let's get it. Listen, this is just a warm up, you feel me? It's not what I do in the gym. But listen, just let it go, alright? I already know what you're saying, you know what I mean? I could be doing a little more. But we just trying to get the blood moving and going, moving and grooving, flowing and going. And then we out. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, I'm done. I'm done. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. It's the next day. Apologize. Day was crazy. It is now 5:33. So I am now getting ready finally to head to the airport. The flight is at 8:50, but they start boarding like 7 o'clock, I guess. Don't recall, don't remember, but it's around 7. If it's not 7, then it's later than that, but I'm gonna get there like it's 7 because I don't want to miss the flight, you know. It's a layover flight, a last minute flight. I'm tired as hell. Forgot to pack. When I got home, everything was just crazy. I got my hair cut, as y'all see, but when I got to work, I ended up having an interesting conversation with the people at work, and my mind just did not at all pick up the camera to vlog anything. So we're here, okay? So welcome. You know, let's get the day started. Let's see where it takes us. I just really want to get there safe and do what I gotta do and then bring my ass back because my store is #1. We're ranking #1 in the whole entire nation. No, I'm saying nation, district. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's rankings, you know what I mean? When you sell any type of service, they rank you. And I'm really proud of my people because we #1. But that's not here and there. That's neither here nor there. I got my stuff packed. My brother wanted me to bring his Xbox so he can have it when he's down there. If you guys don't know why I'm going down there, my brother recently graduated, or I believe he graduated from the Navy. That's the Navy, the Air Force. Oh, I'm tired. So yeah, he's doing his thing and living his life and embarking on his dreams as he should be. You feel me? So neither here nor there. Just got dressed, about to fix his hair up, and then we're gonna be ouchie. We all Gucci. I'm done everything. Got the do-rag on and all that. So now I'm about to call a Lyft and head to the airport. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the car. I was going to take a Lyft, but when I sat there and looked at the Lyft prices, they talking about $60 to $80, bro. I said, listen, no. I said, I got a license, I got a car, check. I'm the what? I will drive my ass. What? I'm driving myself. They tripping, bro. Fuck they talking. Y'all, now, y'all know this crazy now. Y'all know this is crazy now. You talking about some $60? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And I ain't gonna lie, I was thinking about it, but now I'm like, nah. Must have missed the memo, okay? I did not know. Sorry about that. I did not know that today was International Travel Day or whatever it is, because everything is packed, okay? It's ridiculous. And it's like, Now I'm walking to my gate, but everything was full. Every parking crook and cranny was full. I'm about to just park up. But then I'm like, nah, I ain't finna do that. And look at this. Look at all them people. This is crazy. This is crazy, like, I'm not even in the whole checkout thing. It's just far. It's crazy. This is why I don't fly American. I don't have time. I don't have time. Put me on another flight, please. Now let's chime me, please. Found my gate, so we Gucci. We good, feel me? So now it boards in 32 minutes. So I consider that a win. I consider that being on time, man. If I didn't love my brother, man, I would definitely not be here, because I have to go to Chicago first. And Lord knows I don't belong in Chicago. Nor do I want to go to Chicago, but you know, we're gonna make it happen. I need to find some food. They got onions there, but I'm like, onions not really breakfast. If you don't know what onions is, it's a pretzel place where they sell really, really good pretzels. But I think that's what I'm gonna get, because I need something that's affordable and cheap. I'm not trying to spend a whole bunch of money. I'm already spending $28 per day, and I could have just took a $60 Lyft and, you know, save money. But it is what it is, you know, it is what it is. I'm just going to rock out and just take my losses, you know, take my wins and take my losses, because today is the 8th. I'm coming back on the 10th. Hey, that's about 2 days, so hey, it is what it is, but let y'all know when I get on the flight. Yeah. Oh, I'm in the hotel, okay? And I'm tired, but it is 4 a.m. right now, and I literally just woke up. I saw my brother for a little bit, but I couldn't record when I landed because of the stuff he got going on. Like, you can't record him right now, and you might get in trouble if you do, and all of that. So I didn't record. I had to put it down, spend some time with him, but I am in Texas now. I'm with my mother, and I gave her the bed, y'all. I'm not asleep. What? They ain't have no more twins, so they had me sleep on this pull out. I'm not pulling no bed out, bro. Like, I'm not doing it. So, now I'm about to get dressed. I gotta film some stuff for y'all, because I want you guys to see a little bit. I'm gonna take some pics with my bro and all of that tomorrow. Texas is cool. I definitely gotta come out here and chill and see the vibes. But yes. So today is his graduation. You feel me? So that's cool. And I am very proud of him. Takes some getting used to, because you're just like, dang, I don't want nothing to happen to him and stuff. So, but it is what it is. He'll be great. He'll be good, smart. We just creating generational wealth in new areas for our families, you know. That's all it's about. That's all it's about. But hopefully I pack right and have the clothes necessary to make this trip, because it's cold at night and then it's hot during the day, and I brought a whole bunch of not summer stuff but fall stuff, so I should be good. I should be good. But I'm about to be dressed. I'm about to go get dressed, and then I will talk to you guys in a little. Okay, talk down a little bit. What is a shower not having?
procedures practiced in the past were identical to the tactical maneuvers employed on the battlefield. It was this aspect of drill which made it such an important part of training. And many of these same procedures are still in use today. One form of drill is the salute. Since early times, men at arms have used some form of salute as an exchange of greeting, the most popular of which has been the hand salute. Here's Indiana. Flight 188, led by Technical Sergeant Nina Cephalou, military training instructor, hometown Aurora, Illinois. Flight 189, led by Technical Sergeant Tyree Porter, military training instructor trainer, hometown Flint, Michigan.
Oh, wow.
The Color Guard, led by Technical Sergeant J.R. Robbins, military hometown St. Robert, Missouri. The flights selected to carry our national, state, and territorial flags are Academic Excellence Flight, Flight 195, and Flight 196, led by Technical Sergeant Delaney Miles, Master Military Training Instructor, hometown, Prince George County, Maryland. Flight 190, led by Master Sergeant John Ridley, Military Training Instructor, hometown, Lacey, Illinois. Flight 191, led by Technical Sergeant Alexander Davis, Military Training Instructor, hometown, Conway, Arkansas. Flight 192, led by Technical Sergeant Colin Gendron, Military Training Instructor, hometown, Kingsford, Michigan. Flight 193, led by Technical Sergeant Fausto Gill, Military Training Instructor, hometown, Houston, Texas.
Gotta go check my brother out. What's up, bro? Good job. Ooh. Hey, right there.
I thought y'all was never gonna find it.
We saw you.
We spotted you this time, but we told Brandon to find it.
All right, bro.
All right.
See you. Appreciate you. Well, good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody's having a good day or has a good day. I am literally up at 2, and I'm kind of happy about it because I'm going home. It's time to go home, and I'm uploading this video. So I'm working on that, but time to get to the airport, time to head back to Philly. So we about to head back, and I'm hopping right up the plane and getting ready to work. So yeah, it was cool, man, seeing my brother and seeing Texas. It's only been 2 days and I'm homesick, so that's how I know I'm not ready to just be traveling yet, because I still got more work to do, you know? Dressed and I'm ready to be out. Houston, it was nice, you feel me? My little brother, I love you so much, and it's just so much you won't be able to do, so many places you won't be able to go. And I want this video to show, like, my brother has been through a lot of ups and downs, you know? A lot of ups and downs, a lot of personal things, but like, it's just cool because he's bouncing back and flourishing. And if you going down or you have traumatic things happening in your life, just understand that the traumatic situations you go through don't make you. You feel me? You make it. You make what happens, you feel me? You just gotta put it into existence. You gotta put that work in and take that leap of faith. You got it.